Everybody, welcome back to another fantastic episode of Ready to Die Fighting. I'm Chris. I'm in my basement with my bike, so we've got another bike video. And a few days ago, something very sad happened, and so now I have to do something very stupid. So like and subscribe if you enjoy that sort of thing. And who doesn't? So, if you watch my previous videos, you know that I bought these Mark grapple grips, which I really like. And then I also, we'll go on there, got these really nice bar end plugs here. And it's supposed to just slide in just like that. However, it does not fit. But I really like them. They don't seem to come in other sizes. And I just could not accept defeat here without a fight. And so I did a little measuring, and we are looking at this interior diameter here with my calipers is, it looks like 17 millimeters. I don't know if you can see that. However, this bad boy, we're looking at 19. So, yeah, so that, my friends, is not going to work. However, I've got something. And that's a drill. And I don't know what you call this officially, but I call it a unibit. It's like a stepped drill bit. And so you can make sizes, like multiple sized holes with one thing, with one bit. And I've used it quite a bit, and it works very nice. And look at that. The biggest size is just about right. It's just about right. It might be slightly, ever so slightly bigger than what I need. And that's fine. So I just need to, ream this out about 2 millimeters or so. And that's what I'm going to do. And then my guy will fit. I'm sure this will void any warranty I may have had on this thing. However, I bought it used. The handlebars, I bought them used. Really cheap. And I already cut them shorter. They were, a little bit longer. I don't remember how much. But I got these short, stumpy little arms, so I cut it. So, yeah, whatever. As far as structural integrity, I don't know. I mean, I think it'll be okay. Looked like the camera did something weird there. Oh, before I do that, safety glasses. Gotta protect these beauties. All right, let's do it. So I am very precise and technical. So I'm just gonna, about as far as this can go in is what I'm gonna do. So let's do it. Actually, I'm gonna shorten it up just a little bit. Just a tad. Make sure it has a really nice grip on there. And let's go. It's getting warm. Not so hot that, it's hot. It's getting hot. But look at that. It's fitting. It's getting there. So just got to keep going. I'm going to loosen that up if I can. And just extend that. Like I'm going to extend my car's warranty. Keep going. And so I actually don't have to go the full length here because let me loosen this up a little bit. Where's my... Maybe I'm not going to. Because when I put this on, you see, there's I never go all the way to the end. I always make sure that there's a little bit of rubber, usually this part right here. So I try to leave like about to there where that's flanged out section, extending past the handlebars, just so that there's a little bit of extra padding, just in case this comes off or whatever. And I'm just really paranoid about this because it actually happened to me when I was a kid. I fell off my bike and, you know, like stereotypical kid, tear up the end of the handlebars, and so it was just bare, and somehow, I don't know how it happened, it caught my ear and it ripped my ear open, and it was so bloody and nasty. I was actually scared my ear was gone. It's not, it's still there, but I was scared that it was gone. And so I like to make sure I always have bar-ons in there, or at the very least some extra padding. So that's what I do. I highly recommend you do the same. All right, let's keep going. Woo. There's still a lot of metal there. I'm only removing 2 millimeters. Well, this is still, how thick is this? It's still roughly 3 millimeters thick. I think it's all right. See how we're looking. It's pretty close. Probably just need a tiny bit more. Tiny bit. Whew. All right. Oh yeah, that's plenty. Let's stick this on. Actually, let's get some of that, ooh, it's warm for sure. See if I can get some of those shavings out. Well, we'll come back to that. I'll tip the bike on its side when I get it on the ground. All right, so that goes on. And now that goes in. Look at that. That looks so cool. Where's my Allen key? Here it is. And now we just tighten this up. And you don't need a ton. It's going to expand in there and create enough friction. Boom. It's not coming off. That looks so good. Look at that. Totally worth the danger, I think. All right. So if you think that this was not a good idea and that I will regret my choice here, you know, let me know in the comments. If you think it looks awesome, let me know that too. I figure worst case scenario, I'll just buy new handlebars or just not ride the bike for a little while. But doesn't that look so much better than this? This sad little thing? No brainer here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.